Hello everyone, I'm Jonai and I'm an aerospace engineering senior student at CUUB Boulder. Right now I'm involved with the ecology and evolutionary biology program at CUUB Boulder. I'm at a Smith lab right now, so we're going to do some cool stuff together. So today we're going to do some innovating kites.
Before we actually start building the kites, have you wondered how a kite flies? This is because when we throw the kite, it has an angle attack, which is the angle between the incoming wind and the ground. And the wind pushes the kite so that the lift is generated due to the pressure difference. If you look at the free body diagram, you can see in simple cases, the lift should bigger than the weight and the thrust should bigger than the drag so that the kite can fly in the sky. In this case, the lift is proportional to the angle of attack. However, in more complicated cases, it's not always true. The lift depends on so many other factors like the geometry of the kite, meaning the size and the shape of the kite, and the angle of attack and the wind velocity and so on.
Let's find out what's inside this toolkit. We have straws, glue, string, and paper. So what are we gonna do is we connect the straw to one another and to make sure it's long enough to support the body of the cat. And the second step is to make another like a long straw and use the string to connect to each other like this way. And the next step is to cut paper to the diamond shape so that work as the body of the kite. And the last step is to glue the paper and the straw to each other, and then just attach the string to the kite. That's pretty much all the procedure we need. And let's start. our like intimate kites, and hope you can enjoy my video, and maybe you can try it if you have time.